In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to level up fast on Steam. We'll walk through practical ways to earn XP quickly, using systems that are already built into Steam. Start with quick community tasks on your profile. Add a profile picture, write a couple of genuine game reviews, join a few groups that interest you, and take part in discussions. These bite-sized actions unlock XP bundles, typically from 100 up to a few hundred XP, and they're a great jump start for new accounts. As you play your games, Steam will drop trading cards. If a game supports cards, you'll earn a limited number just by having it running. Idling counts as playtime. Open your inventory to see what you've got. When you find duplicates, trade them with friends or on legitimate trading forums to finish a set. Completing a full set lets you craft a game badge, which grants XP and cosmetic rewards. This is one of the most consistent ways to level, especially if you rotate through your library to gather drops from multiple titles. Keep an eye on big Steam events, like seasonal sales and the Steam Awards. During these, you can earn event XP by voting, browsing your discovery queue, and crafting special event badges. Event badges have no level cap, so you can keep crafting them as long as the event lasts, making these periods perfect for fast leveling. Set a reminder when a sale starts so you can log in daily and knock out the simple tasks. To speed things up further, purchase inexpensive trading card sets on the Steam market. A handy way to find bargains is to use Steam.Tools cards and sort by set price, especially during sales when prices dip. Once you've gathered a full set for a game, craft the badge. You can craft up to 5 levels per game, totaling 500 XP, then move on to another low-cost indie title and repeat. Prices fluctuate and fees apply on the market, so double-check costs before you buy and aim for the lowest set price to stretch your budget. Finally, use your Steam points, which you earn from purchases, to get seasonal badges in the points shop. These badges also grant XP and are a nice boost if you've accumulated points from buying games or DLC. It's a straightforward redemption and complements the XP you earn from cards and events. Thanks for watching.